This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Lesa Miller. Looking for peaceful serenity in a private setting? This is your home. This wonderfully secluded 3+ acre total electric ranch home has a split floor plan, a spacious kitchen with dining, and a garage that is a mechanic's dream. Large open family room with vaulted ceilings is spacious yet cozy. Covered front porch and back deck make it easy to enjoy the wildlife and outdoor activities. House sits well off the road and back behind the woods to allow for safe play area. Only 1.5 miles to the Crane Gate, 4 miles from Fayetteville Center. For more information, review the details below.